Hi, in today's video we are going to see the unboxing of Galaxy Note 3. I have a black color Galaxy Note 3. It is packed in the original casing. So let's unbox this and see how the things are set up with this Galaxy Note. So let me pull it off the casing. So this is what it is, a good looking Galaxy Note 3 packed in the casing. So if I take that out, that's an official looking Galaxy Note 3. It's a lightweight. I presume the battery is different, so that's the whole reason of not having any weight right now on the phone. Let's see what comes along with this. You have the quick start guide, your key features handbook, which is one of the cool thing, which actually gives you an idea about what you can do with Galaxy Note 3. Okay, now let's see what else we have here. These are the earbuds, usual Samsung charger, your USB wire, but this time the USB wire is coming with a different way. It's for faster charging and it's USB 3.0, so will be the faster processing. But still, if you want to use any of your old charger, you can still use it to charge Galaxy Note 3. The one thing is this clips which will hold your phone, and then your battery and earbuds. That's all in this box. That's all you will get with your Galaxy Note 3 in the box. So now let me connect everything and let's see once it will be boot up how it will look like. So if I take off the screens, that's how it is going to look like. Let me put everything up and then we will see how. Okay, so now we are all set. I have inserted SD card, memory card. This has a different kind of a structure where SIM card and SD card goes one man up by another. I've set up the battery. This is the back. From the back side it really look leatherish premium look, and even if the touch and feel is leather. Here it is the same plastic, which you can see that out, but if you touch from the back you can't even say it's a plastic. So let's close this piece and then let's put it on. So it's set. You can see it's a great looking device. So here it is going to boot up now. Okay, so it's all set. That's the first boot of Galaxy Note 3. So this is the unboxing of Galaxy Note 3. Hope you would like it. Thank you.